gone. 3-finger test tells me I got a sharp knife, but we're not quite done yet. Pretty sharp. So I like to do, see if it cuts the skin well. It does. Not sure if you can see that. Just found this old receipt laying around. Let's see how it cuts. That's pretty well. Right now it's pretty rough edge. It's a great slicing edge right now. I guess if you were cutting meat or whatever, this would be a great edge. Clean up the stone a bit. Let's move to the strop. And with the strop, you don't want to hit the strop or do crazy stuff with it. Just nice, smooth action. And this is a strop. It's not removing much metal. I don't count strokes. And I'm not really creating a burr either, so no need to worry about counting strokes. An easy way to find the angle is at the end of the strop. You keep tilting the blade up until it starts to bite into the leather, and then that's the angle. You don't really want to be doing that in the middle of your strop, because you're gonna be making some little cuts and lines or whatever into your strop, so be careful. So one side is fairly shiny. I'm going to go to the other side. Now when I strop, my left hand going the other way is always a hard way, so I tend to just switch hands. With the strop, you don't need to put much pressure at all. If you put too much pressure, the leather will fold. Yeah, the leather will fold over and actually dull your edge. So, something to be careful of. I'm using barely the weight of the blade itself right now. I'm not very patient, and I'm trying to keep this video under 10 minutes. I have no time. I have no idea what time we're at now. So some people strop for, I don't know, goodness knows, like half an hour, a whole hour. I don't. This knife is plenty sharp for what I need. It'll make fuzz sticks or whatever you want. Yep. Well, sharp enough in my opinion. I actually have a diamond side too. This side's a lot smoother. I have some 1 micron diamond paste I got. Shake it up a bit. From Hand American. Very good stuff. I'm gonna have to reload this strop soon, but once again, this edge is extremely sharp already. It's nice rough edge. I'm not gonna be doing any carving or woodworking with this knife. This is my cutting boxes. Yeah, it's pretty much just boxes. Knife, I got it for 23 bucks. No need to make it extremely sharp. Spend hours on it. Yeah, it's pretty freaking sharp. Sometimes it has troubles with just straight downward cuts because the blade's short. Either that or my sharpening's not as good as I think it is, but it works. If I do the I guess the samurai hair test, catches and actually cuts off some of the hair, so I'm gonna be careful with that. But, that's my video.